In this channel, we'll practice 3 addition and 3 subtraction questions that most students should know by the end of grade 6. I understand that math can be challenging to tackle alone. This channel is here to support and assist you or your child in learning math. What you'll need: a pencil, download our video worksheet, link in the comments, or use your own piece of paper, and time to use your brain, so no calculators are allowed. Here's a look at 3 addition questions we're going to solve. Feel free to pause and solve for the question on your own first, or watch Ms. John guide you through the solution. Feel free to use the timestamp below to go directly to the answer key. Question number 1, 9.4 plus 5.9. We're going to complete this question by first doing the number one thing we should always do when working with numbers with decimals is put the decimal in the answer section right underneath the other decimals. So let's do that right now. We're going to start with adding the numbers in the far right column, also known as the tens column. So let's start by placing 4 dots by the arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to place 9 dots by the second arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's time to add up all the dots and count the total number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 13 dots in total. So now we're going to bring the 1 to the ones column, and we're going to put the 3 in the answer section of the tens column. Now let's add the ones column. So 9 plus 5. By the first arrow, we're going to draw 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By the second arrow, we're going to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to add up the total number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer of 9 plus 5 is 14. Now we're going to take that 1 that we carried and we're going to move it over and add it to the 14. So 14 plus 1 equals 15. Then we're going to move that over to the answer section of the ones column, and therefore the answer for 9.4 plus 5.9 equals 15.3. Again, the answer is 15.3. We're going to first start by adding the numbers in the ones column. So 3 plus 4. Let's first begin by drawing a rough box. In the rough box, we're going to write 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. We're going to write 7 in the ones column of the answer section. Now let's solve the tens column. 3 plus 4. Let's draw a rough box. In the rough box, we're going to write 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now let's write 5 in the tens column of the answer section. So the answer for 33 plus 24 is 57. Again, the answer is 57. Question number 3, 29 plus 47. Let's solve for the answer in the ones column. Let's draw the rough box. In the rough box, we're going to write 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 equals 16. So now we're going to carry the 1 to the tens column and write the 6 in the ones column of the answer section. So now let's add up the numbers in the tens column. So let's draw the rough box, and in this rough box, we're going to write 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now we're going to take that number that we carried, the 1, and we're going to add it to the 6. So 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now we're going to write 7 in the tens column of the answer section. The answer for 29 plus 47 is 76. Again, the answer is 76. Here's the answer key. If you got an answer wrong, use a timestamp to go back and check your solution. Here's a look at 3 subtraction questions we're going to solve. Feel free to pause and solve the question on your own first, or watch Ms. John guide you through the solutions. Feel free to use the timestamp below to go directly to the answer key. Question number 1, 17 minus 9. Let's first draw a rough box. The method that we're going to use is counting up. When counting upwards, we're going from 9 to 17, but you don't actually draw a dot for 9. You just say 9 out loud, and you begin with starting with 10, 11, and etc. all the way up to 17. So let's begin. We're going to say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we're going to count how many dots in total there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, 17 minus 9 equals 8. Again, 17 minus 9 equals 8. Question number 2, 34 minus 24. We're going to start by subtracting numbers in the ones column. Let's draw a rough box. In the rough box, we're going to write 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Now we're going to put that 0 in the ones column of the answer section. Now let's subtract the numbers in the tens column. So let's draw the rough box. In the rough box, we're going to write 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now we're going to write the 1 in the answer section of the tens column. So the answer for 34 minus 24 equals 10. Again, 34 minus 24 equals 10. Question number 3, 49 minus 27. So let's begin with subtracting the numbers in the ones column. Let's draw the rough box. In this rough box, we're going to write 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Now we're going to write the 2 in the ones column of the answer section. Now let's subtract the numbers in the tens section. So let's draw the rough box. In this rough box, we're going to minus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Therefore, we're going to write 2 in the answer section of the tens column. So the answer for 49 minus 27 equals 22. Again, the answer is 22. Here's the answer key. If you got an answer wrong, use a timestamp to go back and check your solution. Good job at taking ownership over your education. You did it! See you in the next video.